What is this place?
It's a totally awesome castle. They're shooting this movie here right now.
Okay, everybody, let's do this. Lots to do, everyone.
Lots to do.
Did you find the guy you're stalking?
I think I'm about to right now.
Mr. Lee is traveling.
Mr. Lee?
Lucas Lee.
Oh.
Oh?
Roll sound.
I want to have his adopted babies.
All right, on your marks, everyone.
Oh man, we gotta go.
What? Why?
I used to date that clown.
And action.
Oh my God.
Hey. The only thing keeping me and her apart are the 2 minutes it's gonna take to kick your ass.
You dated a famous guy?
In 9th grade, we had drama. Actually, it might have been math. I just remember there being a lot of drama.
Hey!
He was a snot-nosed little brat. He just followed me around.
It's snot in his nose? But he's famous.
Hey! I'm talking to you, Scott Pilgrim!
He's famous and he talked to me.
The only thing keeping me and her apart is the 2 minutes it's gonna take to kick your ass.
Can I have your autograph, please?
What's up? How's life? He seems nice.
Scott! Evil X! Wait.
Let's get ready to go again.
Hey, Conrad. You really think you stand a chance against an A-lister, bro? Some competition you are.
Hey! 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 I'm not done with...
Oh! Looks like you're seeing double. He's good, right? Sometimes I let him do the wide shots when I feel like getting blazed back in my Winnie. What can I say? I'm nothing without my stunt team.
Hey! Ask him how it feels to always get his sloppy seconds.
How did...
Hey, I'm gonna get a coffee. You homies want anything? No, I just mix it. Dig it. That's actually hilarious. Hilarious.
Mr. Lee! You're needed back on set.
Prepare to feel the wrath of the League of Evil X's.
League of Evil Axes?
You really don't know about the League? The 7 evil X's coming to kill you, controlling the future of Ramona's love life?
No.
Oh, hey, listen, man, don't worry about it.
Really?
Yeah, let's go get a beer.
That's great.
Boom!
You are a pretty good actor.
I'm going for the Oscar this year.
But are you a pretty good skater?
I'm more than pretty good, SA. I have my own skate company.
Can you do a thingy on that rail?
It's called a grind, bro.
So can you do a grindy thingy now?
Are you serious? There are like 200 steps and the rails are garbage.
Well, hey, if it's too hardcore.
You really think you can goad me into doing a trick like that?
There are girls watching.
Somebody get me my board.
Hi. Big fan.
Why wouldn't you be?